Ready to supercharge your follow-up boss and make it talk to all your other favorite apps? Let's dive right into creating webhooks in Follow-Up Boss to automate your workflow and connect to external systems. First, log into your Follow-Up Boss account and navigate to the admin section by clicking on your profile picture in the top right corner. Once in the admin section, look for integrations and click on it here. You'll find a list of available integrations, but we're focusing on creating a webhook, which allows for custom connections. Scroll down the page until you see the API option, select API and create a new API key or use an existing one. Copy the API key and store it safely. You will need this for authentication. Now, look for webhooks and click the button that says Add Webhook. This will open the webhook configuration panel. In the URL field, paste the URL of the external application or service where you want the data from Follow-Up Boss to be sent. This is the endpoint that will receive the data. Next, choose the events that will trigger the webhook. This could be anything from a new lead being created, a stage change, or a task being completed. Select all the events that are relevant to your desired automation. After selecting the events, click Save to activate your webhook. Follow-Up Boss will now send data to the specified URL whenever one of the chosen events occurs. And that's it. You've successfully created a webhook in Follow-Up Boss, unlocking a world of automation possibilities and seamless integration with other applications. Now you can test it and start automating your workflow.